Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links from this overview are down in the description, and remember, this is based on my personal experience. In this video, we're taking a look at WeFixMoney.com. This website offers a range of financial services, seemingly designed to help individuals navigate complex financial situations and potentially improve their financial health. It's important to carefully evaluate any financial service provider before committing, so let's explore what WeFixMoney.com has to offer. While the site's design appears straightforward, it's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence before engaging with any of their services. A deeper investigation into their offerings, including terms and conditions, fees, and customer reviews, is recommended before making any decisions. Remember, understanding the specifics of any financial agreement is paramount. Investigating the legitimacy and reputation of any financial service provider is essential. Looking for independent reviews and verifying their credentials can offer valuable insights. Don't hesitate to consult with a financial advisor or conduct extensive research to ensure you're making informed choices. Prudence and careful consideration are key when dealing with financial matters. It's always advisable to proceed with caution when exploring new financial platforms. Taking the time to verify the company's background, understand their services thoroughly, and compare their offerings with other providers can help you make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Protecting your financial well-being is a top priority, and careful research is an essential part of that process. Be sure to explore all available resources and seek professional advice if needed. Your financial health deserves careful attention and informed decision-making. Remember to thoroughly examine all aspects of WeFixMoney.com before making any commitments.